Isoelectronic species. What are isoelectronic species? Ions or atoms having same number of electrons are called as isoelectronic. Same number of electrons. Different atoms, different ions, different molecules with same number of electrons are called as isoelectronic. For example, O2 molecule here, O2 2 negative here. We know oxygen has atomic number 8, which means that it has 8 electrons, and this 2 negative means there are 2 more electrons. So 8 plus 2 more electrons here. Total number of electrons with the O2 negative are 10, right? Similarly, we have F negative fluorine with negative charge. Here it has fluorine with atomic number 9. So it has 9 electrons and 1 extra electron because it's F negative. So total will be 10 electrons. Sodium ion. Sodium, we know atomic number is 11. That means actually in the sodium atom and neutral sodium atom it has 11 electrons. But because of 1 positive charge means 1 electron has been lost here by the sodium. So you have to subtract the 1. Therefore, you get again 10 electrons here. Neon with atomic number 10 has again 10 electrons. So all these species here, O2 negative, F negative, sodium ion, neon, these are isoelectronic because they have the same number of electrons. Similarly, we have cyanide ion, carbon monoxide and N2 molecule. These are also called as isoelectronic. Why? Because they have the same number of electrons. Let's calculate the number of electrons with the cyanide. Cyanide ion, here it has a carbon and a nitrogen, and carbon we know has got 6 electrons and nitrogen with 7 electrons because nitrogen is having atomic number 7. So 6 plus 7 and minus 1 extra electron is there. So that means total number of electrons will be 14 here, right? So Cn negative, total number of electrons are 14. Now what about carbon monoxide? Carbon with atomic number 6 has got 6 electrons and oxygen with atomic number 8 has got 8 electrons. Total number of electrons again it is 14. N2 molecule here, it has 2 nitrogen atoms, right? It has 2 nitrogen atom and the nitrogen atom has 1 nitrogen has got 7 electrons, another nitrogen again 7 electrons. So that means total number of electrons will be 14 here. Again, these 3 species are isoelectronic, right? These are isoelectronic because they have the same number of electrons. Similarly, we can say magnesium 2 positive charge, Mg 2 positive charge, sodium ion 2 positive charge. These are also isoelectronic because magnesium with atomic number 12 has 12 electrons, but because of the 2 positive charge means it has lost 2 electrons. So that means you have to subtract the 2 here, minus 2. So total number of electrons will be 10 here. And sodium with atomic number 11, it has lost 1 electron, and that means you have to subtract it 1. So total number of electrons will be 10. Again, these 2 species are isoelectronic because they got the same number of electrons. So isoelectronic are the species with the same number of electrons. Hope you got it. Thanks for watching the video. Bye for now.